Give the kitty the bow. Just tear it open a little bit for her and she'll... Get it, girl. Get it. Oh, the paper. It's so exciting. Thank you. Thank you.
Elsie. Elsie.
Want some music? Oh, you gonna sing? Yeah.
Elsie.
Oh, that's nice. Is that a kitty massager for Don't hit the kitty. Oh. Sorry. Your friend. Okay. Open the front. Ooh, let her peek inside. Yeah. Oh, what's that? Is it on? Jared, turn it on. Ooh!
Showtime.
It's showtime?
Yeah, with the band.
Where's your microphone? Else.
Come and play with us.
She's 2 and all. I could be wrong, but that sounds like batteries are dying.
It's been sitting in there for quite a while, so that's a possibility.
I'll play with your animal friend. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Little pig, little pig.
Little Pig. Why can't they get somebody who sings, like, on key? Ooh. It has to be the batteries.
Sounds super awesome. What are you talking about?
Get that out of the box for her. But show her, start to open up the other one first. Elsie, honey. There's
Elsie.
another present.
Elsie.
Jumper's trying to tell you. He's like, get this one. I'll open it up for you.
Yeah, with the band.
What's this one?
Jumper, open it. Look at him.
It's showtime.
Oh, Lord. Get your tail out of her face. I mean it. Always whipping that freaking tail in her face. Did she do that all on her own? She's getting the idea of this. Too bad that's the last one. Honey, what is it? Take out your binky. Else. Elsie. Elsie, let mommy see. Let mommy see. Who is that? Is that Princess Belle? Give Belle a kiss. Give baby Belle a kiss. Ooh, go back, honey. I can't see you on here. Give baby Belle a kiss. Else, give the baby a kiss. Where'd the baby go? We'll get her out. Daddy, get her out. We'll need scissors and everything else. Merry Christmas. Oh, Merry Christmas.